Y'all, I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair. I am just so irritated with having to put my hair up or not doing anything with it. I know that I'm going to be putting in my clip-ins, my new hair that I got, but I'm going to wait until it's a little closer to Thanksgiving, obviously, because that makes sense, but I don't know what to do. I found this piece of hair just sitting in my cabinet and I don't even use it, but I want to challenge myself to figure out what to do with this hair. It has a little comb right here, so I think I know what I want to do with it. Just watch the process, you guys. was really short, but I hope you enjoyed it. It's a good way to use something that is, I would say, useless into something useful. I never really messed with this hairpiece. I actually got this hairpiece from my grandma, and I was like, I could do something with this, and I never did. But now that I don't have any like ideas on what to do with my hair until I install my clip-ins, I was like, let me just see what I could do with this. And you can turn it into a little hairpiece, for like a bun. I think it looks really cute, looks natural. Did you guys see? I brushed it out just to make it look more natural, because the tight curls, I don't think it would have gave it a natural look. It looks brushed out and it looks natural. Let me know what you guys think down below. My phone's kind of crooked, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. I apologize for making short videos, you guys. I want to give you guys good content, but then again, like, I don't want everything to be too long. I want you guys to watch for a reasonable amount of time. I don't want to give you guys a whole bunch of long videos and you guys don't really watch it. So I'm giving you guys short videos here and there, and you know, I'm gonna still have my long videos. But other than that, you guys, like this video, comment down below, and you know, turn your bell notifications on so you don't miss any upload that I do. And I will see you guys in the next video.